Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can make a poll on iPhone messages. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you would have to do is simply just go to your app store right here. And now what you're going to do is tap on the search bar and then start typing polls for iMessages. So after you have typed that down, you can tap on the search button on your keyboard and then you can see this is the application that you can see right here. You can tap on it and currently here you can see it is already installed on my phone and you'll have to tap on the get button in order to install this application. After tapping on get, you can verify from your Face ID, Touch ID or the password of your Apple account, and like this, you can install this application. After you have successfully installed it, you can tap on this open button right here. And here you can see after I've done that, it has chose a random chat and you can see there is the option of get started on my keyboard option right here. You can tap on get started and just like this, here you can see there is the option of add your poll title. But you can see this has picked a random chat. If you don't want this chat, you can simply just go back and in here you can tap on the create option on the top right corner right here and then you can choose whom do you want to send this poll to. So simply just type down their number or iCloud mail. And after you've done that, here you can see there is the option of plus right here. You can tap on it. And after doing so, here you can see there is the option of polls right here under the store. You can tap on polls. And just like this, here you can see again the option of get started. You can tap on it. And just like this, here you can see you can add your poll title here. And after setting your title, you can tap on next. And in here, you can see you can add in the first option. And after you've done that, you can tap on done, or if you want to create another one, you can tap on create another. And here you can see there's the second option. And if you just want these two options, you can tap on done. If you want another one, you can again tap on create another. And after you have typed that down, here you can see we have three different options. Now here you can simply just tap on send poll, but if you want to discard it, you can tap on the dustbin icon that you can see right here. And here you can see there is another icon right here. You can tap on it. And in here, there are the settings of this poll. Here you can see there is the option of see who voted. So if you want to see who voted it, you can simply just select this option. And if you here you can see there's also the option of add options and declare a winner or multiple votes. So if you don't want multiple votes, you can tap on it and unselect it like this. And if you don't want to declare a winner, you can again tap on it and unselect it like this. And just like this, you can also set the settings of this poll. And when you're done with it, you can simply just tap on the back option on the top left right here. You can also see there is option of adding down your name. So if you want to add down your name, you can tap on your name right here and then type in your name. If you don't want it, you can simply just tap on the back option. And just like this, you can tap on send poll when you are done with all of it, just like this. And here you can see this poll has now successfully been sent to your friend. And yeah, that is it. Now your friend will select the poll and just like this, you can make a poll on iPhone messages. Yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.